If you've ever found yourself locked out of your WordPress admin dashboard and the standard password reset emails aren't working, don't panic. Today, I'll show you how to add a brand new admin user directly to your WordPress site using phpMyAdmin. This is a powerful recovery technique for times when all else fails, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to safely regain access to your site, even if you can't log in the usual way. Let's get started right away. First, you'll need to access phpMyAdmin, which is a database management tool provided by most web hosts. You'll find it from your hosting control panel. This could be cPanel, DirectAdmin, or a custom dashboard that your provider uses. Once you're logged in, look for the phpMyAdmin option. Sometimes it's grouped under databases or advanced tools. Open phpMyAdmin, and on the left, you'll see a sidebar listing your databases. Make sure you select the one that's used by your WordPress site. If you have several, the name might start with WP or it could match your website name. It's important to double-check that you're in the right database, since making changes in the wrong place won't help and could affect another site if you're hosting several. Take a deep breath and move slowly here. Direct database access is powerful, but it's also less forgiving than the regular admin interface. Now, even though we're focusing on phpMyAdmin today, it's essential to mention: whenever possible, adding a new user through the normal WordPress admin dashboard is your safest bet. It gives you more guidance and helps you avoid mistakes. Changing things directly in the database should really only be a last resort, a kind of digital emergency surgery, so don't choose this method unless you're sure you can't access the dashboard any other way. If your dashboard is available, here's what you should do instead. Log into your WordPress admin area as you usually would. On the left-hand menu, hover over Users and click on Add New. You'll now see a form that lets you create a new user. For the username, make sure you pick something unique, maybe not just admin or your site name, but something less obvious for a bit more security. Enter a valid email address, since WordPress relies on emails for password resets and notifications. The first name, last name, and website fields are optional, so you can fill them in if you want or leave them blank. When it comes to the password, WordPress will suggest a complex password automatically. I always recommend using these suggestions or another strong, unique password. You can also choose to send the new user their login details via email, which can be helpful if you're creating the account for someone else. Now, and this is key, in the role drop-down, set the new user's role to administrator. Only do this if you trust the person with full access to your site. Finally, just click the Add New User button. That's all there is to it. The new admin is now ready to log in and manage the site. If you're only able to add a user through phpMyAdmin, don't worry, we'll cover those manual steps in another detailed video, since that process involves directly editing the WP users and WP user meta tables and requires absolute precision. If this walkthrough has helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have questions or get stuck anywhere, just drop a comment below. I read them all and try to help out whenever I can. And if you found this guide useful, subscribe to the channel for more clear, practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.